Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 28. He sees who sees the Supreme Lord existing equally in all beings, the unperishing within the perishing.
समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरं विनश्यत्सु अविनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति.
Chapter 13, Shloka 28. The self, which is the substratum of a given Purusha and Prakriti, is itself the one self everywhere. This is explained in this shloka. In the previous shloka, we saw that the substratum on which the field and the knower of the field are playing, the delusory identification and consequent suffering, is the eternal self. The one factor that supports all the waves which are playing in it exists in each wave and also supports all the self-destroying and ever-rising waves is the ocean. Similarly, the substratum which supports all is the Supreme Lord, which is the same in all beings. All names and forms constitute matter and are constantly changing, and all beings are subject to birth, growth, decay, disease, and death. The changeless consciousness that supports all the changes is the principle which illumines the ever-changing world of plurality. Like the gold in the ornaments is the constant factor out of which all the ornaments of different shapes and sizes are made and destroyed again and again. He who is capable of recognizing the Supreme Lord, who reveals everywhere as the pure spirit in all names and forms, who changes not while the outer equipments change, he alone is the one who sees what is really to be seen. Like the physical equipments recognize the physical world, the mind recognizes the emotions, the intellect comprehends ideas, the spiritual center in ourselves can apprehend the spiritual substratum in the universe of names and forms. Just as eyes cannot see thoughts, so too the senses, mind, and the intellect cannot recognize the spirit that is subtler than them, and it lies beyond all of them. Everybody sees, but not the real. He alone sees who realizes the Supreme Lord, which is the imperishable. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.